Hey class, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is exam 2 review, and the problem has to do with related rates, which is the second part of your test, right? The first part will be applying all the derivative rules, and you must know all the derivatives. The second part is to be able to apply that and solve related rates problems. So here, we are talking about a funnel that is in a cone shape, and the water is running out of the tunnel. So I'm just funnel, not tunnel, right? So water is running out of the funnel. So I'm gonna attempt to draw water here. So water is going to run out of the funnel there. Okay, now and it is running out at a rate of 1 inches cubed per second. So that means dv dt is -1 cubic inch per second. Now, why is it negative? Because it's leaving, it's less, right? If we were filling in water, it would be positive. So now we have less water. Okay, now the cone has the dimension of 4-inch radius and 8-inch height. Okay, the question is asking, what is the rate at which, let's call this H, what is the rate at which the water level, which is dH, dt, is what? When H is, when the water is dropping 2 inches from the top. So 2 inches from the top means that this part is 2 inches. That means H would be 6 at that point. 2 inches from the top mean now the value for H is 6, because 8 minus 2 is 6, right? Now we're talking about a cone. So we are saying the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. And so we would say, oh, hey, wouldn't it be nice if everything is in terms of v and h, right? So we have to go and do a little similar triangle. So if we were to draw out our similar triangle here, we would say this is 8, this is 4, and here is H, and then here is R, right? That's where the water level is here. Okay, so similar triangle will say that H is to 8 is the same as R is to 4. So R is going to be 4 over 8H, which we know that is 1/2. Okay, so we're going to take this information, put it in for R. So then we will have V is 1/3 pi 1/2 H squared times H. So 1/2 square, oh, I said 1/3 and I wrote 2. 2 squared is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So the constant is pi over 12, and then H squared times H is H to the 3rd is equal to V. Now we will go and take the derivative of both sides with respect to t. The derivative with respect to t. So implicit differentiation will apply, and so we will have dv dt is equal to, bring the 3 down, cancel with the 12, we'll have pi over 4 h squared multiplied by dh dt. Okay, so at this point, we are looking at the h dt. That's what the question is asking when h is 6. So we would have 6 squared pi over 2 times dh dt is equal to dv dt, which is -1. This right here is going to be 36. 36 divided by 2 is 18. So we will have, oh, wait a minute. Why is that pi over 2? That is not pi over 2. That is pi over 4. Sorry about that. Hold on. That is 36, right? 6 squared is 36. And then pi over 4, 36 divided by 4 is 9. So we will have 9 pi and then you will divide by 9 pi to get the h dt. So the h dt is -1 over 9 pi, and the unit would be inch per second. And the rate is negative because h is getting smaller and smaller because the water is emptying and not filling.